Hi, today we're on site at a shed project for Handy. I have our project designer, Spike Carlson, here, and he's going to show you a quick tip for making long cuts in big pieces of plywood.
So to make long, straight cuts in plywood, you don't need a table saw. All you need to do is make this simple straight cutting jig. This is made out of 2 pieces of plywood. I ripped the factory edge off of it, and then I screwed it to the remaining piece and ran my circular saw down it to create the straight cutting jig. As you can see, by the time I'm done, when I have my fence against that piece, it'll follow that exactly. So mark each end of your plywood, then you simply take your jig, line it up on each of the marks, and then screw it down in 3 places. Adjust your blade to cut the depth of your jig plus your piece of plywood, then go to work.